Hey there, it's Dennis from Apify, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your Apify Actor into an n8n community node. n8n has more than 500,000 users who've never seen your actor. We have built a simple CLI tool to change that in under 30 minutes. Let's dive in. To kick things off, we will go to n8n node's Apify template repository and clone it. I already have it cloned here. And from here, you just type npm run create actor app, and you will be prompted with an actor ID. For this example, I will use the Instagram hashtag scraper. You just go to the URL and get the actor ID from there. And just paste it. Wait a little bit, and voila, your node is ready. So what next? npm run build, npm run dev, which will start the n8n local development server. And once it's running, we can start playing with our node. So here, I just open the local host, go to my workflow, and here I have two nodes. One is for simple workflows, and the other one is an AI agent example. So let's start with the simple workflow. We can go here, type in Apify, and we see the Instagram hashtag scraper appear. From there, I will add the search hashtag, which will be Apify, and then press execute step. Soon, this should bring the data to n8n. So now we see our results. We have captions, hashtags, and the output of the actor in general. Now let's run it with an AI agent also. So for an AI agent, we have the chat input. We have a simple Anthropic chat model. And I just press the tool, I search for Apify again, and here you can see the hashtag scraper tool. I add it, and one good feature about n8n is that for hashtags you can press this button, which will tell the AI agent that it should fill the input. So let's start chatting. I open the chat bar, and I type me Apify hashtags on Instagram using the Apify Instagram scraper tool. I press enter, and now the AI agent is running. It has used the Apify Instagram scraper tool, and soon we should start seeing some results. You can see here that it input the value Apify, and we have received the output here. Then on the left-hand side, you can see the answer, the response from Claude's model, like who is it from, the likes, and what's it about, and so on. So where to continue from here? Let's go back to the repository. From here, we have prepared some code snippets that you will most likely edit. So I'll just search for snippet, and here you will see snippet number 1, which will be the constants of this actor. You have the actor ID, the display name, the description. If we go to snippet 2, you can see the logo. The script by default installs the actor's logo, you can see here, and uses it. So if we go to snippet 3, the snippet 3 is for the subtitle, and the subtitle, you might see it here. Here it says run scraper. So if you want to change that, you change it here. Snippet 4 is the description. The important thing with description is to keep it short and maximum 1 sentence. Because when people are searching for your node on n8n, they will see the description, and it's better to keep it short. Snippet number 4. And then the last snippet is for the AI agent tool. So let's go back to n8n real quick. And here you can see, maybe I can open it like this. You can see there is a lot of information. There is the input URL, the ID, type, and I think a lot of these are not useful for the AI agent to make a decision. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep the caption and the hashtags. For that, we have snippet 5. So I uncomment this, I turn it into a variable, and here what I'm going to do is captions, and I believe it was caption. Okay, item.caption, and then hashtags will be item.hashtags. Okay, I save this. I do npm run build, followed up by npm run dev. And if I go back to my n8n window, I refresh, and let's run the AI agent one more time. Scrape Instagram hashtags for Apify using the Apify Instagram scraper tool. So now again the AI agent will use the tool, and this time instead of getting the whole result, it will get only specified relevant information, which will help the agent keep the context low. So here we can check it out. Maybe here, yeah. And we only have hashtags and captions, which are the most relevant fields for the AI agent. So what's next? Next is to publish your node on NPM. n8n users can search NPM and look for packages that they might be interested in. So here we are on NPM. Here you can see I have searched for n8n nodes, and you can see a wide variety of community nodes available. After publishing on NPM, n8n users will be able to find your node here and use it in their workflows. And just like that, you have a functioning n8n community node for more users to discover.